Jesus, what did I do to you?
Bundle her! What are you doing?
I'm not going anywhere.
Bundle her! Catch her, I said! Catch her!
What did I do?
Put her into that truck! Burn her and lock her! Burn her and lock her! Make sure you burn her and lock her. Leave no evidence. Nobody, no evidence. I am the princess of Ajani Kingdom. I am untouchable. Burn her and lock her. Burn that bitch to the ground. Burn that bitch!
Who the hell is this?
What?
Are you mad?
Huh? You're mad?
Are you mad? Come down from
Turn
there.
up!
Are you? Jesus! Down. Where is she?
The model of this is BL62.
Hey! Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Madam, what happened now? Eh? Why are you screaming like a mad person?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry, I just had a bad dream. It was a very terrible dream that I had. I'm so sorry. Please.
A bad dream this afternoon under this hot sun. Eh? I beg, don't give us high BP.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, take it easy now. She just had a dream. Anyone can have a dream.
How can she be dreaming under this hot afternoon, eh, bro?
No, don't be harsh on her. She's a woman now. Come on, take it easy.
Okay, please do my phone.
Don't scare away my customers now. Stop this you're doing now, okay? I keep telling you this. Where are you going? Are you leaving?
I'm sorry, I just have to go. I need to go and sell. I did not even know when I slept.
Are you leaving because of what he said?
No, I'm not. Thank you. Let me just go and sell, please, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.
I despise this girl a lot. This girl.
Okay, what is wrong with you? Why are you chasing people from my shop now? Eh?
Didn't you see the way she scared us?
Wait, it doesn't matter now. She just had a dream.
I beg, do my phone, let me leave here.
See, take this screen is fake. I'm not doing it. Take your screen and go. Stop chasing away my customers. I'm even trying to help you fix your screen. You are shouting at my customers.
I will not be coming to this your shop again.
Your screen is fake.
Your Majesty, this wedding will become one in town. And it will be very, very glorious.
No, you can say that again.
Yes, we are certain that it's going to be one in town, just like Ono said. You know, our own princess getting married, Princess Isioma, getting married to the son of the famous king, King Ezu. Who don't know him? The great king of Umunze Kingdom. It's going to be great.
That's right. You're very correct.
Honestly.
Well, this actually gladdens my heart. It's a long-awaited plan.
Oh, yes. Your Majesty, very importantly, this wedding is going to make our kingdom to become popular. For being a landlord to the great king of Umunze Kingdom, it will be very great. Very, very great.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You are very correct.
Yes.
Yes, we all know that our No is a wise man.
Even our own has started rejoicing already.
My princess.
Ow.
Let's go.
No, I'm not done with my meeting. I just brought ice cream for you. When I'm out, we set for the palace.
Iwi! Ice cream for me. Hi, my princess. I so much love you. If you bought this ice cream from you, go better for you. You're too fine, you're too kind, you're too sweet. I go enjoy them. Hi.
You're welcome. Just enjoy your ice cream. I will be with you shortly.
They come back.
I'm coming.
Hi. Nah, this is my princess. You too fine. The prince will go marry you and you go enjoy. Hi. You no be poverty now. Poverty no go better for you because if you say I get money, I for down on top of this my princess matter. Hey, now they go ice cream. Yay! Oh yeah, can get ice cream. I do quite mouth. Hey, all the black and white. Don't miss it, My princess, it will be well with you. Come by anyway, you see, the ice cream out. They go to you, wala. When my last time I didn't. My princess, it will be well with you. Person went fine, come sweet. Come they give me, you will be driver. Gift. God bless her. It's ice cream, man. Hi, my next word, I'm going to drive this princess. Hey, it's ice cream also. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream, I love you. Ice cream, too sweet.
Look, young man, you have no business taking care of my telecommunication company. The company will be fine. All I'm saying is get a wife. And that is what we're going to do tomorrow. All roads lead to Ajani Kingdom. You are getting married to the princess of Ajani Kingdom.
Why is my own different, Father? I should be able to make my own choices. Allow me to build this company, my inheritance. That is the reason why I am here. Not tricking me to go and get married to a princess I do not have an atom of love for. What is going on, Father?
Obinna, I am your king, not just your father. I am not tricking you. You are trying to trick and fool yourself. Yes!
My lord.
Stay away from this woman. Stay away! Let me talk to my son. I can see you are losing it upstairs. Tomorrow, all roads leads to Ajani Kingdom for the traditional wedding rites between you and the daughter of King Raymond. I shall marry Isioma for you, and that's on period. Nonsense.
Father.
My love, just calm down.
Don't love me. You caused this. You caused it. You tricked me. You fooled me, mother. But you know what? I am going back to the States. I will never get married to any princess of Ajani Kingdom. Never!
This boy wants his father to kill him. Somebody help me.
No, I don't want the private. Yeah, I don't want that relocation. I think the G-Wagon will just be okay. This young man is getting married tomorrow. Baby at the house. So just life. I remember we talked about the reception hall. What did you say then? 5.2 million. It's okay. No worries. Just add it to the list, okay?
My lord,
Let me call you back.
Onyeka and our daughter are not yet back from the mall.
So, why are you worried?
Because they're supposed to be back by now. Even her elder sister is not taking her call.
Then call the driver. Call the driver.
Eziafa,
Princess.
I said I'm inviting you to my younger sister's wedding tomorrow. And I got these items for you to look really good, appealing, and interesting. Yet you look me in the face and you decline.
Princess, I have no business with royalty. I'm not royalty. I'm just a phone technician. So I don't think there's any point for you to buy me clothes to attend your sister's wedding. There's absolutely no point for that.
There is a point because we are together. We had something together. In fact, you are my man.
Hmm?
Yes. I decide how you look and how you appear in my father's palace. I can have you looking unkempt to my sister's wedding. I also hired a driver on a car for you.
I'm sorry, Princess. I'm not interested. There's no point for this.
Come on. Don't tell me you've not forgotten what happened at the mall. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, what is it?
My friend, are you okay? Why are you talking to me like that?
Come on, Mom. Am I her keeper?
What do you mean what?
Why are you always pestering my life?
I called you on phone and what you could say is what? Listen, the last time I checked, I am not your problem. I am not the one frustrating you. Call your sister. Her number is not connecting. Even her new driver, Onyeka, is not picking call. So you have to call her and find out what is wrong. Rubbish. You don't know how to talk.
You know what? You can keep calling because I'm busy at the moment. Bye.
Stupid.
I'm sorry, I have some phones to repair. Can I continue?
I'm expecting you.
You forgot your gift. Princess, you forgot your gift. Hello, hey.
Why is this guy behaving like this? Why is he acting so loco and poor? Why? God. I should have cleaned him up earlier. Brushed him up. Instead of embarrassing him like that in front of my friends. And he's not going to let that go. And I'm not going to apologize because I am a princess. We don't apologize. But I love him. I love him so much. And he's so sweet and good in bed. She didn't hear that. What do I do about this guy? What do I do? calling me? Why are you calling me because of Iselma? Favorite daughter indeed. Her number is still switched off. You can do whatever you want.
Hey! God forbid. I reject it though. Holy Ghost fire. What kind of dream is that?
My dear, I don't know. I cannot tell. All I know is that immediately I woke up, I ran back to the house just to rest my head though.
But wait so. That very princess we saw in his place, what's his name again?
Eziafa.
The day he took me there to fix my broken phone?
Yes. Yes.
Hey!
The same very princess. That's the same person I'm talking about.
Ha! This is a very bad dream. Don't joke with this dream. But who was the prince that rescued you?
I don't know. I can't... This is not the problem now. This is not what's supposed to be bothering me. All I know is that I need to be very, very careful. I need to watch my ways. I need to know how I move around now. That's just it.
Well, I think you should stop attaching yourself to him. Yes. She might think both of you are doing something.
Okay. Think both of us are doing something? How is it my business? I don't understand. How is... Wait though. Rhoda. Don't you think it's the princess belittling herself? How is she going to stoop so low to go and date?
Don't say that. Don't say that. Love can move anybody. And besides, he's cute. With a little touch of money like this, you will see him now. And he's hardworking too.
It's okay now. Too much compliments. What's wrong with you? You're complimenting Eziafa too much.
Hey, did you sell your orange or?
I didn't sell. They are just there in the backyard. I'll sell them later.
Okay now.
Me and Eziafa are doing something.
Yes now. From what we are saying now.
He's Paul, ordinary phone repairer.
I believe Paul. I'm just saying things like
Madam, you know where you say the Godson?
But I told you the address, sir.
Oh. Ikenga Achi or Ikenga Umachi?
Ikenga Umachi.
Ah. Umachi is very far now, it's very big. Your money is 25,000 naira.
Don't worry, sir. Money is not the problem. I will pay. Just take me there.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will pay.
No problem. Madam, you want to see your husband or your boyfriend?
Please, I need to sleep.
Sorry. Ifoko, you're a very big fool, my guy. Eh? Why didn't you impregnate the king's daughter? By now it will don't become the in-law now. Yes, now. Eh?
Well, I was just a police driver, right? The elder sister started forcing herself on me while I was developing feelings for the younger sister. Somehow the mother gets to find out and she fired me. But it's all good because that's for my own good. I like it anyways.
Then you are a fool. See, just hear yourself. Eh? The elder sister, they like you. You can't they like the small one. You for chop the two now. See this guy, you. Eh? You do as if you don't know what's up for this side. Eh? Okay, sir, you lose the two. Is it not what you're saying? You lose the two. Number one, the two princesses, you don't lose them. Your job, gone. You carry yourself, enter this village. Come stay with me. May you follow me, they go that joint, Abi. Now what do you like? Look at you. See, my guy, if I were you, I go chop the two princesses. I go chop them clean out. I did tell you. Everything go happy. I go give them, fire them where we even the way go to confirm myself. Just they do anyhow. Eh? Tell me, you knock the small princess.
Odera, what do you want me to tell you?
That's something, a question now. You.
Odera, let's go.
No. Let's go now. We don't reach for this interesting part. You know what I'm talking. Now this part they like where you know that one.
Odera, leave this sex matter. It's not the bone of contention at all. Let's go. Let's stop this.
Okay, see, calm down. Calm down now. You say your blood to the heart. Kachi, calm down now. What is your... Okay, you see the vex say they pursue you come here. Not be me pursue you. Like what do? You go there off, you go walk, you go to fall in love. Tell me, you do small with the princess, I mean.
Odera, twice. No, I don't know. Stop this now.
I heard it.
Stop it now.
I heard it. Twice. You knock the princess. Hey! Royal knocking. My guy! Royal knocking. How did they see it? How the royal knocking be? How did they taste, I beg? Just me now. Talk to me.
Odera, can we go now?
No, I'm no go. And by the way, Seth, you sure so you know if you give her belly? Catch it.
Let's go. So,
even if we go, no problem. When you go carry me, we go reach that side. We'll just go visit that area so that you know. Kachi. I know what if you do.
I'll carry you whenever you are ready to go to jail because you soon go to prison.
Jail? Prison? Princess, I know that. Wait do you mean? You say this guy knock the princess? Royal knocking? Hi! See enjoyment. Can't you wait,
My son.
Mama.
What you did is the best. I have been sick since you left this village. But I am sure I will get better now.
Sorry. Sorry, Mama. Should I bring water?
Don't worry. Please, don't mind your friend. Don't mind your friend, Odera. You are trained well. You are not trained to be irresponsible.
But Mama, I love the princess. I love the princess so much.
One thing is certain in this life. The poor are not meant to be in the space of the rich. Just as the royals and the commoners can never, ever be equal.
But Mama, love has no definition. It has no status. It has no tribe, no culture. Mama, it has no standard. I wish I was wealthy. King Raymond would have allowed me marry the princess. We love ourselves within a few period of time. But Mama, it's so memorable. Everything comes to my head, Mama. It's so memorable. I can't seem to forget all of that in a hurry.
That is what we are talking about. That is exactly what I'm saying. Money. My son, money Money maketh a man. Money speaks for a man. Money glorifies a man. Money stands for a man before that man will come out to speak. Yes, it is true that when two people love themselves, they fight. They stand for each other. They believe in what they want.
Mama, Odera wants to teach me how to hunt. So I'll be going with him this evening to...
No.
Mama, why?
Not now.
Mama, but I need to provide for the family. I need to do something.
My son, do you think the princess loves you? Do you?
Yes, Mama. She does. It is young love. It can fizzle out because it never lasted.
I don't feel the same. I don't know why. Yes.
Hey, who be this one now? Oh God. Now sister they call me so. What did I want to tell her? Oh God, oh God. The king go just finish me. Oh, the queen go kill me. Oh, and they go sack me. This ice cream, that is go body shoot. And this ice cream I call this thing. And the only ice cream feeling now just does of oh God. What am I going to do now? Oh, where should I go to? Hey, God help me. Oh.
Dad, stop this. Stop it, Dad.
I said, let me have the passport.
I won't leave it.
I won't.
My lord.
I said, give it to me. Let me have this passport.
Dad, I am not going to leave this passport.
I said, leave it.
The passport belongs to me.
I said, leave this passport.
Dad, no way.
Calm down. Obina, give your daddy the passport.
Mom, can't you see he's trying to seize my passport?
I said, let me have this passport.
Dad, I will not leave it. I am leaving this country right away.
You are challenging me, Obina.
I am not
Obina, you are
challenging
challenging me.
It is my passport.
What? Challenging me? You must be stupid.
You want to shoot me?
Yes, I will blow off your head.
Stop! If you kill him, do you think the government will leave you?
I don't care. Woman, I said I don't care. Nonsense. Exactly what your sister did. And flew back to London. You people are claiming English culture. See, either you respect me or I will kill you.
Break it down!
I will kill you.
You think if you kill him, you will go scot-free? You will not!
See, woman. Woman! Nonsense.
You want me to get married to her, right?
Yes. Final. That is final.
Fine. Then watch me get married to a woman I never loved. I will so frustrate her that she will die in this palace.
Marry her first. Stop. Marry her first. Stop. Idiots.
What is even wrong with you? Obina, there was something I told you. I told you something, right? Did I not tell you something?
Your Majesty, the princess is still in her office, her fabric store. I don't know why you're worried.
Oh no.
Yeah.
She's supposed to have closed by now. And my problem is that her contacts are off.
The worst of it all is that Onyeka, the driver, is not even taking his calls.
I don't want to talk about that stupid idiot. Let him come back here and meet me in this palace.
Call her PA. Call her staff.
Your Majesty, I've done that. They said she left the shop about 6 hours ago.
Then have you called Rena?
Mother. Father.
Rena, have you been able to speak with your younger sister?
Actually, her lines are not connecting.
Hey, go for it.
Is there a problem?
Your Majesty, please don't work yourself up. Network now is another problem. Someone may be trying one number for 5 hours and they can't get through. I know she will be back. Nothing is wrong.
Of course, she will be back. She's just out there trying to arrange things for tomorrow's event. That's all.
Arrange what? Will you shut up? She only told me she was going out to pick few things. She left this house over 6 hours ago.
Really? In that case, let me call Onyeka.
But I told you not to let her move around. Did I not tell you?
Oh my lord, I told her.
Told her what? No, just tell me what you told her.
Calm down, Your Majesty. Calm down. Nothing will happen to her. Calm down. Please.
Hello, sister. Please, where are you? Where are you? Please, come to the palace gate. I'm at the palace gate now. I can't go inside. I don't know what happened to the princess. See, princess gave me ice cream and I dozed off. Ice cream. Oh no, ice cream. What have I done? I'm just getting myself. I don't know. I've visited all the places I used to take the princess to, but she's nowhere to be found. I don't know. Princess have disappeared. The king don't want to listen to me. The Lord don't want to listen to me. They want to crucify me. They want to kill me, sister. They want to flog me. Oh, please, can you come to the palace gate so that we follow me inside? Sister, please, please, please. I don't know. Princess have killed me. Princess, what have I done? What is this, sir? Oh, God, ice cream.
That moron is not taking his calls.
Please. I am certain she'll be back safely. Please.
Woman, I give you from now to the end of the day.
Hey, what is this? What's going on? What's going on? Isioma, where are you?
Mom, please stop overreacting. Of course she will be back. What is all this?
Hurry!
Mom, please.
Please, don't bother yourself. She will be back. I agreed with Princess Urena. She will be back.
Don't work
and
yourself.
nothing will happen to her.
Don't work yourself up. She'll be back. Please, calm down.
Isioma, my daughter. Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to your poor mother. Please come back. My love, come back to me. Your father will kill me.
Mother, I don't want to be with the prince. I don't love him. Please help me tell my father that I don't want to be forced to whom I don't love.
Isioma, are you okay? Can you hear yourself? That you are in love with your own driver, Kachi? Are you out of your mind? Oh, you want your father to kill me?
Mother, my father will not kill you. Just help me and talk to him. I won't be happy in such arranged marriage. I know my father wants to expand his business by matchmaking the prince and I. But the truth is that we don't love each other. He told me that he has a woman in his life.
My queen, lunch is served.
The prince told you that?
Yes, he told me. We can't be compatible. I've given out my virginity to Kashi.
Because of my land. Isioma, you did what? Hi! This girl has killed me. Isioma, how could you? Oh my God. Oh my God. God have mercy. I am finished.
I'm sorry, Mother. I only want to confide in you as my mother and best friend. Please.
Isioma, you did this to me? How could you? Hi! Because of my ancestors. This is too much to bear. I am finished. How did I raise this girl? What's going on?
I'm sorry.
Isioma,
I'm sorry.
Hope you're enjoying the meal. My good friend King Raymond. My son here being now is an IT engineer. I returned back from China with a brilliant ideas to make my company Izutech great and competitive.
That's great. That's good to hear.
But then am I right Obinna.
Son? Son?
Mom?
Your dad is talking to you.
I was just telling King Raymond about the brilliant ideas you came back with to make my company great.
Oh.
So just go ahead and tell them. Talk to them.
Sorry.
Getting water.
Sorry.
Please let me.
I have really grown so cool and soft that such unbelievable acts will be happening under my nose without me noticing it. Kachi, you defiled the royal. You had the guts to be sleeping with my daughter, to defile my princess, my royal girl, my precious daughter, right under my nose. Kachi, you don't have fear.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Shut up. You are sorry. After defiling my daughter, my precious daughter, all you could say is that you are sorry. Kachi, if I kill you or send assassin after you, I don't know how my daughter is going to feel, how she is going to take it. If not, you deserve to die. Kachi, you deserve to die. You have the guts to defile my own daughter. I was even thinking that is my first daughter that was lost in after you. Little did I know that you were the one defiling, spoiling my precious daughter. But because of my daughter, I will spare you. Because for her to confide in me, there is something called trust. Now I am sounding this as a warning. Disappear from this vicinity. Because I would not want to set my eyes on you anywhere around this kingdom. Shut up!
I'm sorry.
Now, before the count of 3, of this uniform, the cap, and hand them over to me.
My queen, please.
You are no more needed.
My queen, please.
Speak no more. The clothes. Good.
My queen.
If I ever set my eyes on you again, you will regret ever walking in this palace. No. Good. For the last time, I wouldn't want to set my eyes on you anywhere around this kingdom. Disappear to wherever you wish to go and never come back.
Sorry. My queen, please, I'm sorry.
No. God forbid. God forbid. Isioma, you will come back. You will come back to me. My daughter, you will come back. God forbid. You will come back. You will come back. Isioma, you will come back.
Okay, Zapa. Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Where are you going?
I'm actually going to the market to get oranges for tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. How is work? How did today go?
Work is fine.
Okay, you're going to the market?
How did you know?
The same way now, you're counting money.
Oh yes, I'm actually going to the market to buy some food stuff before nightfall.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
Yes,
so
yes.
you have a list of what you want to get already, do you?
Yes, I do. It's in my pocket.
Okay. Oh, that's fine then. Since we're going to the same market, we can actually work together.
We can?
Yes, we can. It's the same market. You buy oranges, I help you buy food
No
stuff.
problem. Let's
okay.
go.
All right.
So how's business?
Beautiful. Thank God. It's fine.
I'm sorry.
For the last time, where is my sister?
I don't know. Ice cream.
What is wrong with this boy? We're asking you where is the princess and you're screaming ice cream. Are you mad?
Oh no, ice cream. Oh,
ice cream. Ice cream. Where is our princess?
Oh no, ice cream.
Igwe.
Will you speak? I will speak. I was speaking. She gave me ice cream. As I was licking the ice cream, Igwe, ice cream.
Is something wrong with this boy?
No.
Ice cream.
It's all right. Since you do not want to tell us what happened, you shall remain here.
Every day. Ice cream. No, please. Ice cream. Please now, please. The ice cream. I did not even finish it. I did not finish the ice cream. Oh God, don't help me.
Onyeka.
Sister, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to confess. I don't know. I'm tired.
How could you not watch over her? It's your duty to watch over her.
Sister, I'm just a driver. And even if I'm watching over her, she gave me ice cream. I was licking the ice cream. I don't even know what is in her mind. I don't know that she wants to jackpot. I don't know.
Shut up. Shut up. What you did was wrong. Why would you take ice cream from her and eat away your brain?
The ice cream, oh. The same ice cream all of us they eat. The same ice cream wey we dey lick. Don't be say I smoke igbo, don't be I drink alcohol, ice cream. Auntie, please. Sister, can you help me and lose this? I want to vanish from here. Sister!
Madam, bless you, this motor don't spoil you.
What? Problem?
Bless you, go lodge you. Tomorrow morning we'll continue this journey because I tell you the journey is far before. But we don't remain 3 hours. You'll lodge tomorrow morning we'll continue this journey.
Oga, what is wrong with you, Oga? We've been standing here for the past 30 minutes. What is happening?
I don't really know. Till tomorrow, my car mechanic.
Hey.
I'm not doing now. It's not by force.
Now.
Okay,
Calm
what is
down.
it? What is it? What is
Calm
it?
down, let me talk to you.
Okay,
guy.
what is it?
Why are you doing like this now? Eh? Why are you treating me this way?
How am I treating you?
Eh? You are just a fine boy with no package, you know. You don't know what's up, Isafa. What is wrong with you now?
Yeah? Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, are you done insulting me? Listen, if you're insulting me because of that princess, the princess of that kingdom, I'll just fold my arms and watch you. Keep insulting me, thank you.
Guy, why are you doing like this now? Why are you doing like this, eh? Let's just go to this wedding. We won't even spend much time there. Why are you messing up like this now? You are doing as if you don't know what's up.
Okay, I am going to my maternal home. You'd have to tie a leash on me. You have to tie a rope around my neck so that I can follow you to the wedding. What is it? Nonsense.
Isafa, calm down now, calm down. This princess loves you a lot and it's so clear and evident, my guy. And you even stand the chance of becoming the king when her father died.
Okay, is it by force? Is it by force to be king? I don't want to be king. I do not want to be king. Listen, it's not by force. Thank you, but no thanks.
You're getting me upset now. You are getting me upset now. What is even wrong with you, Seth? Why are you doing like this, eh?
Okay, it's me. It's me. Wait. Something tells me you are underestimating me. You think I cannot beat you up? Okay, I'm going to beat you up. Don't think you're stronger than me. You're not stronger than me. I'll beat you up and nothing is going to happen. I'm not going anywhere. Period.
Yeah, calm down. You are just a poor repairer. You are not God. Calm down. Calm down.
I don't really understand. What are you really talking about?
What is there for you not to understand? I said talk to your customer, my neighbor, to come with me to a wedding at Tumuzi, and you're telling me you don't understand. Eh? What is there?
Hold on. You want me to talk to my customer, to go with you, follow you to Tumuzi for a wedding? Really? A grown-up man that can make decisions for himself. You're asking me, I don't get it. How does it make sense to you, please?
Ojoma, you know this is why I despise you, right?
Yes, I know why you hate me. You hate me because you keep asking me out and I keep refusing you. And I am never ever going to regret it. Not for a second. Do you understand me? I will not.
See this orange seller.
Wait. Let me even tell you something. You know you shouted on me today. And I pretended. I acted like a stray cat. I acted like I'm a nobody. Yes, so I might not be up to your level. But I know who I am. I know who I am. Do you understand me?
See this one, orange seller like you. See, whether you like it or not, I must smack you in this village. You cannot escape it. Eh? See this one, the road that is camping. You are talking to me anyhow. Me, okay now. You will see yourself. You will see. Talking to me anyhow.
Oh, all right, Commissioner. I'll send you every detail of her you need. Yes, thank you.
What did he say?
His men will swing into action.
Hi.
What is happening? Does it mean she was kidnapped or what? Nobody can kidnap my blood. Nobody. It is not possible.
Your Highness, please calm down. See, the guards are everywhere searching for her. Let us pray and hope they get her in good faith. Please.
Hey! Gods of our land. Where is my daughter? What is going on? Isama, please come back home. Come back to your mother. What is all this? What's going on?
Her Majesty, calm down. Nothing will happen to our princess. Please, calm down.
Hey!
Your Highness.
Fixed. It's working perfectly well now. You're welcome. It's working now, so you don't have to crash it. I balance.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you the guy that fixed my sister's phone?
Yes, I'm the phone repairer, the phone engineer.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Engineer Eziafa. I own a shop very close by.
Oh, Eziafa.
Yes. I fix phones, I fix laptops, anything that has to do with communication. I sell phone accessories as well.
Interesting.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Please, balance.
Okay. Thank you. I have to go now.
Bye.
You were so good in bed. She really satisfied me. And handsome, I must say.
Please, why are we doing this?
Because I want to.
You want to do what?
I want you.
You want me?
As my man. But you have to close down that shop.
I have to close down my shop. How? Why?
It's cheap. And it doesn't befit my status. I am the princess of this great kingdom.
How?
I have standards.
Listen, I love my job, okay?
You love your job.
Yes.
You call that a job? My father can offer you something better. I have plans for you.
I asked you to see me at the hotel this afternoon. Are you avoiding me?
I'm sorry, I was busy fixing the phones.
The phone is more important than me.
Princess, I never said that, but listen, since we started talking, I've noticed that I've not been focusing on my work. Okay? I've been disappointing few of my customers, and I don't like it. I'm a very serious person. And look at me, I'm so stressed out. And that's due to too much stress that you put on me. You're stressing me out. You're having your way with me, and it's becoming unbearable. When I come to work, I become less productive. We're having too much sex. Look at me, I'm losing weight. I can't continue, I'm sorry.
Well, I'm sorry you don't have a choice. Because you belong to me. You are mine.
I love the way you handle me. You satisfy me so much in bed. Guess what? We're traveling to Lagos tomorrow. So this shop will be closed down for 2 weeks.
You said what?
Until we come back. 2 weeks.
I'm joking. I'm not interested, I'm sorry.
I'll give you 5 million to close this thing. Pending when my father's company comes back alive. Then I will make you the head manager. I am my father's daughter, so he does whatever I say.
I'm sorry, I'm not interested.
I'll make it 10.
Listen, is this how you run your relationship? You order me around. You police me around. You ask me to lock up my shop. I don't understand. Are you not supposed to be supportive? It shows that you're not proud of me. Listen, I am not interested. Please.
Looking at you. Raising your voice. Like a tiger. It turns me on. It puts me in the mood. I want to have you every day. You have the strength of a stallion. Very crude and also very sweet. Remember, I'm a princess, so I get what I want.
Please, I have some phones to repair. If you leave, I'll go back to work.
A lover's call, yeah. Her heart beats fast, her soul feels free. She will follow love wherever it may be, wherever it may be. Oh.
Look what we have here. The famous princess. How are you doing?
Hello, girls.
Are you no more going to Lagos for the party?
Oh, the party. Yeah, I'm preparing for it.
Really? And who is this charming guy? Is he the one?
Who? Oh, this is Eziafa. Actually, he's my PA.
Huh?
Yes, please put these things in the car. You can go home now. I'm done with you. The car, it's open.
Hi. Hi, bye.
I'll call you. Yeah, big boy.
I said, do you just call that guy your PA? And he looks so handsome. And can you borrow me your PA? Let me just, it's my spec.
Excuse me? Don't you dare. So look at you. What's going on with you guys? Turn around. You are looking hot.
Thank you. You're looking good to my princess.
Thank you.
Okay, so nice.
As usual. Thank you.
All right.
See you guys some other time.
I'll call you.
Sure.
Send me right to your PA. So cute.
A lover's call, yeah. Her heart beats fast, her soul feels free. She will follow love wherever it may be, wherever it may be. Oh. Runaway heart with a love so trust. She will chase the dream with a heart anew. No boundaries can, no fears can tame her love for him. Oh. Runaway heart with a love so trust. She will chase the dream with a heart anew.
You can't tell me you're not coming to Lagos with me.
I'm done with you.
Are you mad?
No, I'm not.
How dare you break up with me?
Listen, I'm done. I'm done being your bed warmer. Thank you for everything. but we never met. So anytime you see me, take your eyes off me. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, hold on. Why are you doing all this? Okay, I understand you're angry because of the way I introduced you to my friends, but what did you expect me to do?
I'm done.
How dare you walk out on me? I am the princess of this kingdom. No man walks out on me.
Dad. I want the CV of the former driver to your younger sister. So Rena, you were aware all this while of that rubbish relationship. You didn't bother to tell me.
Hold on. Is your man catching? No way.
If I discover that she ran away with that boy, I will cause calamity. I will start with you. I will squeeze the juice of your life out of you. Okay.
Oh my God. Is your man catching? No, no way. Wait. Is this way? Yes, hello. I need you to send Kachi's file to my email immediately. What? Are you out of your mind? What do you mean every information concerning Kachi is gone? How? Who did that? Come to the palace immediately. I said come to the palace immediately, you moron. You don't even know your job. Idiots. Listen.
Kachi? No, I don't think so.
This can only be a rumor. What if the princess have been kidnapped?
They would have called. Hi, this is almost 3 hours.
Yes.
What if it is ritual or organ harvesters?
Hey, Ujunwa! Not be me and you. You are thinking far. Madam.
Where are they going to? Did I say something wrong?
This is unheard of. How can a princess be missing knowing that tomorrow is supposed to be her wedding?
Mom, it is clear. You can't force two adults together and bind them forever. No.
Woman, talk to your son.
Son?
I thought you and Princess were getting much along. So what are you talking?
Dad, that is fallacy. We were only trying to please and fan the appetite of our parents.
Mom, let me tell you. King Raymond wants to eat from my father's company. He is an opportunist. Yes. He is extending the hands of friendship for his dubious reasons. But my father here will not agree to it.
You are just a boy. Yes. You know absolutely nothing.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish?
Good night.
Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, kogos your respect the soul. Only one marine.
I am disappointed in you as a mother. Yes, I am.
My lord, why are you blaming me? Why?
The palace driver was frolicking with my daughter, my subtle and delicate daughter. You allowed it to degenerate to this level and you never told me about it.
I did the needful.
You sacked him. Yes, you did the needful. And now my daughter is nowhere to be found. Oh my God. Now look at this. Her wedding is tomorrow morning. Few hours from now. What do you want me to tell my friends? Is that not a slap on my face? What do you want me to tell my friends?
Isioma, why are you? Don't do this to me, please. Because of our land.
Please let me be.
My lord, please. Let's go upstairs.
I said leave me.
My lord, please calm down. I believe everything will be all right. It's okay. Let me. I will just.
Isioma, don't do this to me. Don't put this shame upon me. It's a slap on my face. Don't you ruin my plans for you?
We are in a world
Look at me.
where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its
Isioma, look at
wish?
me.
Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love.
Have you sleepless nights?
Kogos your respect the soul.
Isioma, I don't deserve this.
Only one marine. Let love be. Rapupa love kojebe. Kojebe love we are. Kojebe love.
Any news yet? You mean no news? It's okay. My family and I, we are deeply worried. Yes. All hands should be on deck. Honestly, I understand the plight. I know what you are really going through. I know you are being troubled. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Thank you.
My lord, so they still have not found the princess?
No. No news yet.
Hi, Chukwu Okike. Please help us.
She cleared everything about her ex-driver, so I'm trying to retrieve some files.
Try harder. Ray, try more, please. Try harder.
Mom, please, can I walk in peace? Suddenly, I'm your favorite daughter that you had to stand beside me.
What is wrong with you, Ure? We are talking about your missing sister here. Moreover, nobody disowned you. I only advised you to mind how you run after men. Boom! You tagged me a bad mother.
Really? Queen Advisor, your favorite daughter is out there with a man. Excuse me.
At least she knows what she wants. That's if she went after Kachi. Unlike you, who is full of heavy confusion.
Have you found it?
No, Dad.
Then in that case, you have to prepare your mind. You'll be getting married tomorrow morning to the prince.
Dad? No way.
None of you will bring shame upon me. And as for Isioma, she'll hear from me.
Okay, your husband is joking, right?
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. No love,
Mama. How are you today?
See me, oh. I'm here. I'm here. I'm not getting myself. I'm not getting myself. I want to drink water.
Water?
Yes. Get me some water.
Okay.
Get me some water.
I'll bring it for you.
Okay.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, young lady. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Your face don't look familiar. Who are you looking for?
My name is Princess Isioma, ma. I was directed by someone that this is Mazi Okoro's compound.
Yes. But who are you looking for? Huh?
Okay.
Princess.
I've missed you.
I missed you too.
I can't hold back my feelings.
I was told you're about getting married to the prince. And here you are. See, this is dangerous. It's risk. How did you find my village?
Remember you submitted your CV to my mail before getting employed. And by the help of some people, they directed me to your house.
It's okay.
I missed you so much.
That's my mother. Ma?
Nice to meet you, ma.
You're welcome. Is she the princess you told us about?
Yes, Mama.
My daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Sit down. Mama, your water. My princess, what
just saying is that this is a big risk.
Your father will find out, and that will be a disaster for me.
My love, no one knows I'm here.
But they will definitely find out.
Nobody. Trust me. I erase your name from the company's file. I don't want to get married to the prince. It's you I love. Please.
I know. But the truth is, this village is not good for you. This village is not good for your personality. As you can see, there is no security, no guard that will be following you around. This is just what I want you to understand. Please.
My love, if you are free in your father's land, I am. Mama, I'm sorry I had to do this, but I love him. Look, your food I will eat, your water I will drink, your people will be my people, and your friends, my friends. Everything about you will revolve around me. Don't see me as a wealthy princess. See me as human. Please. It's you I love. I don't love any other person. It's you I love. Understand me, please. I have some money with me. I can buy new clothes, shoes, bags, and even take Mama to a better hospital.
Mama to the hospital?
Yes, I will.
Hey! Cathy, what's the problem now?
Odera.
I've been waiting for you, sis. Mama, good morning.
Sorry.
Yeah?
How are you?
I'm fine. What's the problem? Go and get those things. Let's go now. Hi.
Odera, this is Princess Isioma, the one I told you about.
Princess? Yes. Hi! Hi, Princess. Are you the one?
Yeah.
Hey!
Mama, I need to rest my head. It was a long journey for me.
Kachi, take her to your room.
Okay, Mama. Odera, I'm coming, please.
Don't carry your bag.
Mama, it's a long story.
Take her.
Let's go.
No problem, you have to take her inside.
Odera, I'm coming, eh?
Kachi,
I'm coming.
Mama.
Odera, I don't think we can still go for the hunting today.
Academicians. Why?
Odera, listen. I have a guest. And Mama's health too. As you can see, Mama's health is getting worse by the day. Just come. Odera, just come, let's talk first. Come, let's talk.
She came. Yeah, Kachi, you just Kachi, I still don't. I want to understand. You know the princess chased you down to this place.
Yes, she did. I was happy to see her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. You're happy to die? Yes, Kachi, come to see it. You are so happy to die. Go look at it, come closer to you. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why, Kachi? A princess from far away came down to this village to see you and did not think of anything.
Think of what?
The father. Problem. What is coming towards you is bigger than you. You cannot hold it. Don't even come into help. I know why I'm saying this.
Odera, what is your problem? You're the same person telling me that I messed up big time. That I should have done this, I should have done that. Now the said girl came looking for me in this village. Dolly could say it. See, Odeya, I'm begging you in God's name. Please keep your suggestions to yourself. I don't need them anymore. Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Kacha will not leave you alone. Kacha, you are my very good friend. And I will continue to tell you the truth. Why are you doing this to yourself? Do you want to die young? You'll be the one to die. No. Odeya, you'll be the one to die.
No, because the way you are saying that is as if that I should start planning your burial. How do you want it to be? How do you want it to look like?
How did I know you?
No, see, let me tell you now. You see, that girl will not stay in this village. No, she will not stay in this village. So you have to start telling her to leave. Yes!
She will not stay in this village.
Of course, now, can't you see it?
As the Prime Minister of this village now. Okay?
Okay.
So let me tell you, I will protect her interests. And I will stand my ground on it. So put that into your discourse. She will stay in this village.
No, you have to sit on your ground now. Because since you have been standing, and I don't understand your achievement. So you have to sit this time around. Can't you please just sit so that you will think once? Eh? What is happening to you?
Why am I even discussing this with you?
Mama. You like it?
Yes. Yes, thank you so much.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma.
But you did not come with your clothes or bag.
I'll get them, ma. I'll get them.
Thank you. My daughter, you are very beautiful and you are pure in heart. But I've heard terrible stories about your father, how bad he is. Hope he will not come after my son, my only child.
Mama, my father is not a bad king. He loves me. He will understand. It's a matter of time.
What are these changes in your eye? Could it be a sign? How long have you been with my son?
For a month now. He worked in my father's palace last month. Mama, don't worry. I will take you to the hospital. You need a medical attention. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, okay? Don't worry. I will take you to the hospital later in the day. You need a medical attention.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I want you to protect my son from your father's wrath. I already see a seed coming. Yes, I do.
I promise you, Mama, I will protect him. Kachuko will take you to the best hospital. You will get well, okay?
Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ma.
We are in a world where love should.
You can give me any amount.
What's going on here?
I was buying some oranges.
My princess. Good day.
I chose to buy the dirty ones. Oh, come on, you could have asked me. We have some clean orange juice in the palace. Not this
Betty Street oranges.
Really?
Hey! I know you. Aren't you the poor orange seller I usually see at the phone with her show?
Yes, he's my customer.
Yes, what?
Yes, princess.
Good.
Brenda,